Hello everyone. Today we are going to know about CS Card Job Board. This splendid add-on provides a job management feature within your CS Card store. Via this add-on, an admin can easily post various jobs of different categories and user gets the privilege to apply for the desired jobs. For the online demonstration regarding the product, you can go to our Webcool store and click on this demo button. And for the documentation regarding the same, please visit the user guide manual provided at the store. Let us now proceed towards the installation part of this add-on. This is my admin panel. Go to add-ons tab and click on manage add-ons. Now click on this plus button to upload and install a new add-on and click on local to browse the zip file for job board add-on. Select the file and click on upload and install. Once your add-on gets installed successfully, you need to configure the settings of this installed add-on. Let us search this installed add-on. This is my installed job board add-on. To configure and manage the settings, click on this drop down and click on settings. Here you can view various fields. If you want to enable the future job list option, you can enable it by checking this box. If you want to enable the multiple application from the same mail ID, click this checkbox. And if you want to notify admin whenever an application is submitted, you can enable it from here. Next is the mail format for the accept mail notification. Whenever the application is accepted, you can set a notification mail for that accepted application which will be delivered to the customer or your users. Again, you can set the mail template for the reject mail. If the application is rejected, then you can set up the mail with a subject line over here. By using this user guide, you can set up a mail text in this mailbox. Next is to set the mail text for the application submit. Whenever an application is submitted by the user, you can send a notification mail automatically by setting a mail text over here with a subject line entering here in the subject box and the mail text entering here in the mail text box. You can use these user guide manual and these placeholders to set up a mail format. The next and last option is to notify admin on application submission. This mail setup over here will be sent to the admin whenever there is a application submission. Once all the settings are done, you can click on this save button. Now let us go to the designs tab and click on the menus tab over here. Click on the quick links provided. Click on this plus button to add a new menu. You need to select the parent item for this. Let us select the root level to be the item. Next is to select the name for this. Let us give a name to be job board. Next is to choose the position for this item at the front end to be placed. The next field is to enter the target URL for this item. You can enter the target URL whenever the job board button is struck at the front end. This URL will be targeted at that point. The next is to activate menu item for dispatch. Here you can enter. The menu item will be shown as activated for the dispatch. Further, you can choose the various other options. The next is to generate submenu. If you want to generate a submenu, you can select the categories or pages. And if you do not want to generate, you can select the none option provided over here. Once the settings are made and new items fields are filled, click on this create button. Here you can see that the item for the quick link menu has been created, namely job board. Let us now go to this job board tab and click on this job category to create, view and modify the job categories. Let us click on this. As of now, we have not created any category. To create a new, click on this plus button. Here you need to give the name of the category. Let us give a name to be human resource. If you want to disable or active the category, you can choose as per your requirement. You can add multiple categories in one go. To add a new, click on this plus button and give a name to the category over here and select the status. As you have added the categories, you can click on this create button to create these categories. You can see that the list of categories has been listed under this categories tab. Now let us go to the job board again and click on this jobs to view and create the new job post. As of now, we have not created any job. To create a new, click on this plus button. Here you need to enter all the required details to create a job. First one is designation. The next one is to choose the category. You can choose the categories from the one that have been added at the categories. The next is to enter the eligibility for the job. The next is skills. These all are mandatory fields. The next one is experience, salary, location, and you can enter the job date, that is starting date and job closing date. Here you can give a brief description for your job. The last option is to choose the status of the job. Once it is done, you need to click on this create button. This is how you can create multiple job posts for various categories. Let us now come to the job board again and click on the applications. Here you can view all the job applications submitted by the users. Once the user submit the application, the status of the application remains pending. You can download the resume which have been attached by the user. If you want to download, you can click on this drop down button and click on download resume. And to accept or reject the application, you can click on the respective buttons provided for the same. If you want to view the job application, you can click on this view button, and to delete, you can click on the delete button. Let us view this application. Here you can view application ID, the name of the customer, along with the all mandatory details which have been filled by the customer. This is how your job board can be configured at the back end. Let us now see at the front end how a user can apply for a desired job. This is my front end panel. Click on this job board menu. Here the user can view all the job posts listed at your store. He can filter out the jobs as per the categories mentioned over here, or he can directly view the jobs over here listed. If he wants to view the job details, he need to click on the job ID. Here he can view all the mandatory job details. If the user wants to apply, he can click on this apply now button provided. And he need to fill up all the mandatory details for the application form provided over here. Once he fills the details, he need to attach the resume and click on this submit button. This is how a user can submit the application, and this submission will be notified to the admin as well as to the user who has submitted this. And next is to accept or reject the application. This is how my job board works. Thank you so much for watching.